We feel like we can take our technology and solve real problems on the job site. And there's real issues with respiratory issues, with bonded products burning people. There's a lot of things that we can do better and smarter using our influence. And so today we're going to challenge you to help us communicate. You know, people don't have to get hurt on the job site. There's a lot of safer ways to do it and get home to their families. So we're super passionate about that. On that, you know, it's great to do a big pull fast. That's what you want to do. But when we look at the designs out here, we don't believe a technical company's come up with it. We believe more of a marketing company. Starting with the threading of it, it is a good pilot point, but the way this thing feeds, you really have to force it down. The cutter systems on these things are one cutter and the bit actually jams up. I don't know if you guys have experienced that. We're gonna try to illustrate it to you. Yeah. And then they're made with cast iron. Could you imagine making any kind of car part out of cast iron? So we felt like from a technical standpoint, there's a lot of opportunity for us to go after this thing. The first thing we did is with the threading of it, we actually designed it where it starts at a pilot and pulls the bit into it, right? The second thing we did is put a two cutter system that you can see these openings through it that the wood chips extract through it and pulls it out. And the last thing is this is heat forged, just like all your quality car parts, hand tools, everything that's out there in metal, because we want to make sure that it starts sharp and lasts, or cuts a lot of long-term sharp, right? So that's the idea. So we'll guarantee twice the life, twice the speed, and it's beautiful with battery performance because it's going to extend the life of the battery. All right?
I'm using the new DIABLO Speed Demon self-feed bit. The size is 2 9/16 of an inch.
I'm using the Milwaukee Switchblade, 2 9/16, 7/16 shank. We have the same speed, we're on low, and 21 torque, so everything is the same.
Okay, notice the way the bit is going to pull itself in, and then we're actually, the way we're on the same line is 3/4 of an inch, just so you can actually visibly see it, and hopefully you're going to see the difference of the quality cut. 3, go.